When you enter Noida from Delhi's Kalindi Kunj border, Sector 94 is the locality which greets you first. Location is its USP, but what about the property prices? Hello friends, welcome to this Locality Dat project. I am Ravi Kumar Divakar and today we will review Sector 94 in Noida, which is one of the top search localities as per MagicBricks data. In this episode, we will review the connectivity of Sector 94, its social and physical infrastructure and nearby employment hubs. We will also discuss the type of properties available and why Sector 94 draws the attention of property buyers. The Mahamaya flyover passes through Sector 94. While coming from Delhi, the left side of flyover takes you to Akshardham area in Delhi. If you go straight ahead, you will reach city center and further to Noida extension. To reach Greater Noida, you can take a right at Mahamaya flyover and continue on the Noida-Greater Noida Expressway. The Noida-Greater Noida Expressway is a 6-lane highway connecting Noida to Greater Noida. Magenta line of Delhi Metro passes through this area. This sector also has its own metro station, the Okhla Bird Sanctuary. Proximity to Yamuna River and the Okhla Bird Sanctuary make Sector 94 a unique and rare real estate destination across Delhi NCR. Sector 94 faces a popular birds lover attraction in Noida, the Okhla Bird Sanctuary. If you are living in the high-rise flat here facing the Yamuna River, you are certainly going to enjoy a pleasing view. Besides green surroundings of the Okhla Bird Sanctuary, Sector 94 also has plenty of green spaces such as the Flyover Park, Gulmohar Garden and Kalindi Kunj Park. The Noida Golf Course and the Botanical Garden are within 4 km from this locality. When it comes to entertainment centers nearby, Sector 94 has plenty in the proximity. The entertainment and commercial hubs in Sector 18 are just 6 km away from here and you can use both metro and road to reach there. The DLF Mall of India, the Great India Palace Mall, the popular kids entertainment zone Kidzania, Words of Wonder are available in Sector 18 area. Hospitals such as Apollo, Fortis, Tripatis, etc. are located within 6 km from here. Schools such as Amity, APJ, Rayan and Khitan, etc. are located within 5 km. Job hubs of Sector 62 and 63 are located within 14 km radius. The Noida Film City in Sector 16 is about 4 km from here. Delhi's Okhla Industrial Area is also not very far from here. The Noida Expressway connects Sector 94 to employment hubs of Sector 135 and Sector 142 where both the national and multinational companies have their corporate offices. These are within 12 km from here. When it comes to property type, Sector 94 only offers multi-story apartments. In terms of supply, 3 BHK units are 44%, 2 BHK is 42%, 1 BHK is just 8% and 4 BHK is 6% here. According to MagicBricks data, a 1 BHK may vary between 600 to 650 square feet costing between Rs 70 to 90 lakh. A 2 BHK range is between 1200 to 1400 square feet costing Rs 1 crore 15 lakh to 2 crore. While a 3 BHK is between 1800 to 2800 square feet which may cost you Rs 1 crore 70 lakh to 3 crore here. Sector 94 is a well-established locality in Noida with all amenities available in proximity. It offers luxury and mid-segment housing options to property buyers. If you are searching for a river-facing locality or close to ground surroundings with excellent connectivity, Sector 94 is where you may consider buying. Hope you have liked the review of this locality. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter and Facebook. For any query and suggestions, do write to me in the comment section below. This is Ravi Kumar Divakar signing off with my cameraman Manish Sharma. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV on YouTube and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.